Netflix keeps getting more expensive, and let's be honest, nobody wants to pay for 5 different streaming subscriptions just to watch their favorite shows. But what if I told you there are completely free streaming apps on Firestick that give you movies, live TV, news, and even premium-style content without paying a single dollar? And no, I'm not talking about shady or illegal apps. These are 100% legal apps available on Amazon Fire TV. In this video, I'll show you the best free streaming apps categorized smartly so you can pick exactly what fits your style. Alright, let's start with the heavy hitters for free movies and TV shows. 1. Tubi. One app that always makes the list no matter the platform is Tubi. It's easily one of the best free streaming apps on Fire TV, offering a massive library of 300,000 plus movies and TV episodes. Yes, you heard that right, completely free access to a huge collection. Tubi works on an ad-supported model, which means you'll see occasional ads, but that's a small trade-off considering the amount of content you're getting. The best part? You don't even need to enter a credit card or sign up to start watching. However, creating an account does unlock useful features like watch lists and personalized recommendations. Tubi also offers on-demand movies and shows, live TV channels, international content, and Tubi Originals. Overall, it's one of the most complete free streaming platforms available today. 2. Kanopi. Kanopi is one of the most unique streaming apps you'll find on Firestick. Instead of focusing only on mainstream entertainment, it offers a collection of thoughtful content, including documentaries, world cinema, and critically acclaimed films. Unlike most free apps, Kanopi is completely ad-free. But there's a catch: you need a library card or university login to access it. This is because Kanopi partners with libraries and educational institutions to provide free content. New titles are added regularly, and the content is searchable by actor, director, or film category. If you enjoy high-quality, educational, or artistic content, Kanopi is a hidden gem. 3. Fubo TV. Fubo TV is a great choice if you're looking for a simple, fast, and content-rich platform. It offers over 10,000 free movies and TV shows across 25+ genres, including action, romance, thriller, crime, and drama. One of its biggest advantages is that it doesn't require any sign-up or registration. You can install it directly from the Amazon App Store and start watching instantly. Category 2. Live TV and channel experience. 4. Pluto TV. If you miss the traditional cable TV experience, Pluto TV is perfect for you. Instead of focusing only on on-demand content, Pluto TV offers hundreds of live TV channels organized just like cable. You'll find channels across categories like comedy, sci-fi, news, and classic TV. It even includes content from popular networks like Comedy Central, MTV, Nickelodeon, and Paramount. There are ads, and since it's live TV, you can't always control what's playing, but it also includes an on-demand library for flexibility. It's one of the best apps for cord cutters who want a familiar TV experience. 5. Xumo. Xumo is another powerful free streaming app that delivers both live TV and on-demand content. Owned by Comcast, it offers a wide range of categories, including news, sports, movies, lifestyle, and kids content. The app is completely free and supported by ads. It's officially available on the Amazon App Store, making it a safe and reliable option. However, availability is limited to regions like North America and parts of Europe, so some users may need additional access methods. 6. Distro TV. Distro TV offers over 150 live TV channels along with a growing library of on-demand content. Its channel lineup includes Bloomberg, Euronews, Magellan TV, and more. It also supports multiple content types like movies, documentaries, music, lifestyle, and international programming. The app is clean, easy to use, and completely free. If you're looking for a mix of live global content and on-demand streaming, Distro TV is a solid choice. 7. Stir TV. Stir TV is designed for users who enjoy local news and live programming. It offers over 100 live channels and thousands of hours of on-demand content. You'll find news, sports, lifestyle, and local events. It also includes an EPG, or Electronic Program Guide, which helps you see what's coming next. Stir TV is especially useful for staying updated with regional news and real-time events. Category 3. News and information apps. 8. Sky News. Sky News is one of the most trusted global news platforms, and its Fire TV app delivers a clean, reliable experience. The app allows you to stream live news, watch breaking updates, and access news articles. It's completely free and available across major app stores. With real-time coverage and high-quality reporting, it's a top choice for users who want accurate global news without any cost. 9. Haystack News. Haystack News offers access to over 300 news channels, including major names like ABC, CBS, Euronews, and more. It allows you to customize your experience by selecting topics that matter to you. The app automatically creates a personalized news playlist, or you can build your own. It supports both live streaming and on-demand content, making it a very flexible news platform. 10. Amazon News. Amazon News is a built-in Fire TV app that aggregates content from multiple providers into one place. It includes over 120 channels, covering local, national, and international news. You can customize your feed and even use Alexa voice commands like Play Local News. It's one of the most convenient ways to stay informed directly from your Firestick. Category 4. Bonus and Hidden Gems. 11. The Roku Channel. The Roku Channel offers over 400 live TV channels and thousands of movies and shows. It also includes Roku Originals and supports multiple categories like news, sports, cooking, and entertainment. It even has a strong collection of Spanish-language channels. Completely free and available on Firestick, it's one of the most underrated apps. 12. Freevee. Previously known as IMDb TV, Freevee was Amazon's own free streaming platform. While it's being phased out, its content is now available inside Prime Video under the Watch for Free section. It includes popular shows and movies from major studios like MGM and Warner Brothers. 13. Tubox TV. Tubox TV offers over 100 live channels, including ABC News, CBS News, and sports networks. It supports HD streaming up to 1080p and has minimal ads. The app also includes an internet speed test and channel guide, making it very user-friendly. Ultimate upgrade. If you're tired of constant buffering and high cable bills cutting into your entertainment time, upgrade your home setup today with a premium streaming experience that actually works. We provide instant access to thousands of global channels, including all major sports, movies, and news networks. Whether you use a Fire Stick, Smart TV, or Android device, our setup process is fast, easy, and completely hassle-free. Experience crystal clear 4K and Full HD quality with a stable connection designed for a smooth viewing experience. Our dedicated technical support team is always available to ensure you never miss a moment of the action. Message us directly on WhatsApp for instant activation and pricing details. Don't settle for less when you can have the world's content right at your fingertips. Follow the links below to join the NeoFix TV community and start streaming like a pro. So yeah, you don't need expensive subscriptions anymore. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more smart tech content like this.